Make up to $5,000 on complete autopilot no matter where you are in the world. And most importantly, in today's video, we're going to show you how to make a lot more money using website for completely free. Most of you probably have never heard of it, so let's just get right into it. It's completely free and it is available worldwide, as you can tell by reading the title. It's super easy, so we know that you guys will absolutely love it. We know the pay is kind of hard to believe, but trust us because we've tried this before. And all we can say is you definitely need to try this yourself. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Kickstacker is the site that we will be using to get paid today. This site, as you can see, is where you can get real Instagram followers, and we know it's legit because of the large companies featured on it. As an example, Forbes. And now the thing about this website is that you don't actually get followers by purchasing them. Instead, you're going to look for profiles that are just the same as yours, and their followers may want to check your page as well. Now what happens is that Kickstacker kind of does all of the work for you. So basically this site is going to like posts from people who follow the same things as you do. And to get the most exposure, simply just keep adding relevant profiles. And in this way, people will see you in their notifications, and chances are they'll want to follow you back simply because they are following pages the same as yours and engaged with the similar audiences. Some of those people will actually follow back. Now, success is certain as long as you are able to post like really great quality content on a daily basis. So don't worry about it. You will not be paying anything to this website because, as we've mentioned, we are discussing a free strategy, and we always have, right? Of course, this makes you ask the question, what are we doing, right? How are we going to get paid? So we are going to be promoting it as an affiliate, and okay, don't be fooled though, because this website is one of the highest paying sites on the internet. We've showed you a lot of highest paying websites that pay you greatly for affiliate marketing, but this one is one of them. We're going to show you exactly how to find targeted traffic. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on affiliates right here. And basically, this is where you're going to sign up to become an affiliate. And once you're able to do that, you're going to be given an affiliate link. And every time a person signs up through your link, you're going to get paid. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. So, how much? Well, check this out, okay? It offers you a 50% commission. This is why we stated that it pays well. Now, this is one of the most lucrative sites in terms of affiliate marketing. You know, in most websites, you are very lucky to have received 30%, but this website pays you 50%. Now, in case you're unfamiliar with affiliate marketing, 50% commission basically means that you're going to get to keep half the money that the customer you referred to here, which is huge. Aside from that, they have some very nice features, such as a 45-day cookie lifespan and 100% timely payouts. As a result, you are always paid on time. Monthly newsletters with cool features and deals are available here. You can see that you'll be given bonuses and you're going to be paid more money, which is great to say the least. Finally, you will be able to work with an affiliate management team. all of these features, okay, they're great, and you can actually read some testimonials and some facts at the bottom of the page, but we're not gonna go over them anymore because you can actually just go on this website, read them yourself. But instead of that, we want to show you how much money you could actually make, because 50% commission is nothing if how much they are earning is low. But let's go on to the better part, okay? We'll show you how much money you're actually going to be learning. Now, you can see here that they have two pricing plans. They have a standard one and a premium one, which costs $49 and $99. So, if someone does choose a standard plan, you'll be paid $25, which, can I just say, is a very decent amount of money for just one customer. Not to mention, if many will choose the premium plan as well, right? So if you get 100 people to sign up for the standard plan, you can not even pay attention to the premium one anymore for the time being. That means you're gonna make at least $2,500, which is, I don't even have words for that. Plus, we're also going to show you a traffic source that is actually going to allow you to reach literally thousands of people out there. Anyway, we do have to mention though that there is a great feature that we believe makes this site even better. This site has a 14-day money-back guarantee, which means that if people are not ready to completely commit and they suddenly just are like within 14 days, they're like, "Ooh, I kind of want my money back," Kickstacker is going to give it back to you. No question, no argument. Because it has a 14-day money back guarantee, you can guarantee that the money that you've put in, if you want to pull it out in the span of 14 days, since the day that you signed up for that plan, you are getting it back completely, no less, no more, and on the day that you want to have it. So when they realize how much it is helping them, I can assure you that they want to continue using it, for those people who will pull it back. Anyway, this is just for those who suddenly have a change of heart. So it's really no big deal. Now, to get started as an affiliate, just come over here and then click on sign up, right? Enter in your first and your last names, your email address, and your passwords. Complete the CAPTCHA by clicking on I'm not a robot. Check this box and then click on sign up now to create your brand new account. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Well, now let's continue. Let me show you how to drive traffic into your affiliate. Google, believe it or not, actually comes in handy. Now, what you're going to want to do here is similar to what we did in one of our previous videos. What you guys want to do is look for a city or a town as well as a business. For example, you could get gyms in a city or whatever, or a store of some sort. Any business in any town or city you can think of, anywhere around the planet. Now, we decided to look for bars in New York, and when you search for a business type, you want to scroll down and click on view. This will show us all of the bars in New York. And as you can see, there are quite a few of them. You must now choose any one of these and click on it. Your next step is to visit this website. That will obviously take you to their website. And it is on their website that we can see if they have any social media accounts maybe. And now most businesses nowadays do this because they understand, the importance of online marketing. The information about their social media can actually be found at the bottom or the top of the page, including their location and everything, depending on the site, because each one is different. Now, all we have to do is click on Instagram to get there. Now, not all businesses have Instagram accounts, and the number of them that do will probably be very different from each other depending on the type of business. And if they don't have an Instagram account, you can just move on to the next company until you find one. The second thing to remember is that you don't actually want to set an account to have too many followers. They won't be interested in using Kickstacker if they already have a lot of followers, right? If they only have less than 10,000 followers, then that is fantastic. And what you're going to want to do now is contact these people, tell them that there is a site that will increase their number of followers for a very low cost. Tell them that, getting more followers will make them appear more appealing to potential customers, resulting in more sales. And the reason for this is that While most businesses nowadays have Instagram accounts, a lot of them don't actually have a large number of like followers or audience. And since we're talking about businesses, all they really want is a good opportunity and to be known, right? And to boost their followers, and in turn they get sales. So for business owners, this is actually a really great offer, as most established businesses have larger budgets and some money to spare. And now this is exactly why they're perfect customers. Businesses require followers, and Kickstacker is going to provide that for them. All you're going to need to do is bring them to the site and you'll get paid. The businesses you refer to Kickstacker will gain followers, increasing the number of customers they're going to get. So it's a win-win situation for everyone, and you can simply do this process again with other businesses all over the world. And we're 100% sure you're never gonna run out of customers. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.